Hello friends, I am Aman and you are watching your favorite channel Aman Teen Excellence. So this is part 3 of chapter 4. In this video, we are going to discuss about center of gravity, uniform circular motion, centripetal force and centrifugal force. These are some main topics in which we are going to discuss and I will clear all your doubts. So let's start our video. First is center of gravity. What is center of gravity? So आप लोगों ने बहुत बार इस वर्ड को सुना होगा, center of gravity. What is center of gravity? If we take any object, let's say we take a ball, then center of gravity is the point on the ball by which all the molecules which are present in the ball, the weight of all those act on that point. If we put that point on a weighting machine, then the weight of whole mass will be concluded. So if we talk about the center of gravity definition, so here it is written. Now the second is uniform circular motion. And one more thing about center of gravity, that as if there is one rod which have strong base and then it is like this, so the center of gravity will lie here. How? As most of the mass of this object is at below of the surface and below, so the center of gravity is also here. अगर जितना सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी का पॉइंट जितना नीचे होगा उतना ही ऑब्जेक्ट स्टेबल होगा. अगर इसको उल्टा कर दें, ये बना दें, तो इसका जो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी है वो होगा तो कुछ इस पॉइंट पे, क्योंकि कुछ मास तो नीचे भी है, इसका भी कुछ मास होगा रॉड का और इसका भी है, पर इसकी स्टेबिलिटी नहीं होगी. अगर हम इसको एक सरफेस पे रखेंगे तो अगर इस पर हल्की सी भी हवा भी लग गई ना तो ये नीचे की तरफ गिर जाएगा. Now the second is uniform circular motion. What is uniform? What do you mean by uniform? Uniform means same at everything. Let's say there is the PVC rod. You have seen the PVC rod. It is also known as uniform, as the weight of all the things is same. That's how uniform motion, circular motion. Circular means in circle and motion means not in rest. ये मत लिखना, not in rest नहीं. जब वो टाइम के रिस्पेक्ट में when it changes the surrounding and its place and does displacement, then it is called motion. When any object travels in a circular path and covers same distance in same interval of time, then it is called uniform circular motion. One more thing about this, that it have equal speed. Speed remains constant but not velocity. How? As we know that speed is the scalar quantity and velocity is the vector quantity, so it depends on distance and time. It depends on displacement, time and direction also. As if we will move in this circular path, then the direction will be continuously changing, so velocity will be also changing. That's how the speed is constant and velocity is not constant. Now the third point is centripetal force. What is centripetal force? As you can see, there are two types of forces. They are interconnected. First is centripetal force and second is centrifugal force. Now what is centripetal force? Centripetal force, let's say we are moving in the circular path. There is one force that is acting on us in the inward direction. What is that? That's the only centripetal force. Let's say we have taken a small stone and tied it with a string. Then we have rotated it, and then after the time we have cut this string. Now the stone has fallen away. Okay, so till that time the thing which has remained the stone in the circular path was the string. So this centripetal force in that was string. What? String. Now, what is centrifugal force? Centrifugal force is the force acting outward. Acting outward, as we have taken the example of the stone. When we have cut the string, then it have fallen away. Why? Because the centrifugal force was acting and centripetal force was also acting. When the string was cut, centripetal force was also cut. So now only centrifugal force was acting. Due to what? It has fallen away from the circular path. So this was my video. If you have any doubt, tell me in comment box, and if you haven't watched 2 other previous parts, then I have dropped the link in description box. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my video. Thank you.